first up, we get here the biggest scoop on the Agra conversion racket probe. Sources tell India Today the three accused were well versed with the use of dark web. In fact, also adding that the accused had a clear connection in Pakistan, and all of that has now been exposed. Several girls who were added in these groups that were linked to Pakistan. Not just that, it was a very clear strategy to purposely exploit emotionally weak people, and they were particularly on the target. Sources also tell India Today that the plan was to spread Islam across India by 2050, and that is why they were trying to convert as many girls as possible, those who are weak, those who are vulnerable. And this was done as a part of a clear plan where some of these part of the conversion racket even knew how to use the dark web. Let me cut across to Santosh Sharma to get further details of what we picked up from our sources as investigation continues to how this gang was functioning in Agra to exploit young girls and even those who were older to convert them to Islam. What was the larger plan, Santosh? How were they going about this, and what is the Pakistan link that has been established?
From the last Sunday, Agra police is interrogating and investigating this ISI's pattern conversion gang. And after this interrogation, Agra police revealed that this gang was having a connection with Kashmir and from Kashmir to Pakistan. Online Ludo game was the main tool by which the girls and the boys were targeted, and after that their brainwash operation starts. The operation by which they starts brainwash these young girls and boys, and after that they're preaching them the Islamic preachings and telling that why Hinduism is bad and Islamic culture and their theories are good for the normal human being and the normal life. That's the reason by this tool of a dawa, which we can say the open conversation, we can say the debate organized by the philosophers, or we can say the mastermind of this all this brainwash gang. They run a dawa operation. They run a dawa online debate conversation with these targeted persons, and after that, when they get satisfied, they convert it into Islam. The main thing is that this gang run by Abdul Rahman is also having connection with some expertise of dark web. The Agra police got some clues of a transaction via dollar and in the cryptocurrency, and also the connection with the Philistine. There is some transaction of this illegal conversion gang run by Abdul Rahman and his gang via Philistine also. So the Agra police is trying to get all these connections to be connected with this Abdul Rahman and how this transaction was going on. But from the last 1 week, Agra police is interrogating all the accused, whether it is the gang leader Abdul Rahman, whether it is the fund manager Aisha, or his other 8 companions. Some 2 to 5 girls have also been rescued from this gang those who were targeted for the conversion, and they also revealed that Abdul Rahman was telling that they have to get their wife of 4th or 5th, and nikah will be done, and after that their fund will be given to them. But the main modus operandi was to get them targeted. They target by online Ludo game, whose handler was based in the Pakistan. Agra police has got this name, and Central Agency is also trying to get this handler more details. But online Ludo game was the main tool, and after that they operate a dawa online debate conversation by which these young persons get converted into Islam.
Santosh, I want to thank you for getting us the latest.